Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be taking you to the working of a sensor CPS120. You will be wondering what is this, so let's have a better look over this. Go to ControlEverything.com and search for CPS120. Here is our sensor. So it's a digital barometer altimeter, which is commonly known as a pressure sensor. These are the features of this sensor as you can see on my screen. I will be interfacing it with a Raspberry Pi and a Python code. For the code, go to resource and here is our Python code. Click on this Python code and you will be able to download it from here. The Python code is also available on our GitHub repository ControlEverything Community. Now let's have a look over the hardware connections and let's proceed further. For the connection segment, first of all, we need a Raspberry Pi. These are the GPIO pins of our Raspberry Pi. Now, this is an I2C adapter. This adapter is available on our website ControlEverything.com. The importance of this adapter is that it really helps in making connection with other I2C devices rather easy. So let's make this connection and gently push the adapter over the GPIO pins of our Pi. Now we need our sensor, which is CPS120. This is a connecting cable. Make this connection. While making this connection, make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same goes for the adapter. Now to power up our Pi, we need a mini USB cable. Insert it here. For making the connection, we need a LAN cable. Insert it at the Ethernet jack so that we can have a connection with the internet. If you don't have a LAN cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. So we have this connection for our video tutorial. Now let's proceed and check how our code is. For the interfacing it with the Raspberry Pi, we need our Python code. So go to github.com and here search it for ControlEverything Community like this and click on it. Now here this is our sensor CPS120, our pressure sensor. Click on it and here is our Python code. Before moving to the code, one important set of instruction is that we have used SMBus library on our Raspberry Pi, and this link provides the procedures and the instructions to how to install the SMBus on our Pi. So please follow these instructions and do it. This is the command to run our Python code. Now go back to the Python code and here is our Python code. The Python code, as you see on my screen, has a .py extension. Now let's proceed further. And here is our code. And first of all, we have imported SMBus as you can see. 0x28 is our sensor CPS120 address, and we have sent the start mode for the sensor, which is 0x80, and this is the write command. For the reading part, we have sent a block of data which read data from 0x00 and 2 bytes. This is the conversion formula which is described clearly in the datasheet of CPS120. At the end of the code, we have our output in the form of pressure and the unit is of kilopascal. So this is how our code is, and now let's proceed further with the code, how it works with our sensor. For the working of this code, copy this entire code and go to the terminal. Here create a new file with .py extension. Paste this entire code and save it. Now this is the command to run our code, and there is a pressure. When I'm applying some little pressure on the sensor, there is a change. Now again sending the command, there is a slight change again. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. We have just seen the interfacing of pressure sensor CPS120 using Raspberry Pi and a Python code. This sensor has high quality, low cost capacitive pressure sensor solution with compensated digital pressure output. Due to its unique feature, It's applicable for low pressure applications such as barometric sensing, weather stations, GPS application, and air control systems, and so on. This product is available on our website ControlEverything.com. The Python code is available on this very site. The Python code is also available on our GitHub repository ControlEverything Community. If you have any further queries, you can reach us on ControlEverything.com, and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For more blogs and articles, you can contact us on hackster.io and also on Instatables. For more video tutorials, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. And in the end, you have a good day, and thanks for watching.